Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 that someone has already attempted to work on, and it is now missing a few pads. So we're just gonna clean things up a bit and see what we can do about this. Probably gonna need a few jumpers. I'm going to add some solder to these anchor points. Kind of hard to pull solder out of these holes when it's not filled all the way up to the top. Much better. What's the matter, babe? Oh, really? Okay, well, I'm going to come help you with that in a minute. Okay, baby, 1 minute. Daddy's almost done here. Being able to work from home is a blessing and a curse. I love being able to be here for my kids, but I always have to be here for my kids. Alright, so the person who sent this in sent in a couple of ports. Looks like they've already cooked this one a bit, so I'm gonna see what the other port they sent looks like. This looks uncooked.
Ready, steady, go.
There we go. Yeah, baby? Oh. Well, I'm going to help you with that in just a minute. Just give me 1 minute, okay, guys? Oh, yeah, Fiona, why don't you go play with Max? Okay, so back to the repair. Gonna do the one anchor. So I like to do one anchor alone first, and that gives me a chance to kind of line things up. There we go, because I can keep that joint liquid while I line it up, and then once I take the iron off, it's gonna pretty much stay where I put it. Yeah, baby? Oh, really? Okay. Did you get a boo-boo? You okay? Yeah. Come on. There you go. All better. All right. So we've got all of our pins that have pads are soldered. Now let's deal with these ones that had pulled pads. Just going to expose that via that used to go to that pad, and then
Up onto our second floor on the my
This one is also going to need a jumper. This one had enough of the pad left that it's on there. Oh, you want to climb up onto the bunk bed, the second bunk? I don't think you should do that. That's kind of dangerous. Oh. So just got the kids' bunk beds, and Max, being the older of the two, is on the top bunk, and Fiona is not very happy about that. She thinks the top bunk is great and doesn't understand why she's not allowed to climb up there and play up there. Baby, you're gonna break your neck if you get up there and jump around like you like to do. Alright, so 2 jumpers, and this will be done. And then I can go deal with these kids. I need to just add a little bit of solder to my iron tips. They've started to oxidize a bit and are not making good joints right now. There we go, much better. Alright, I'm happy with that one. And, you know, I test things out to show that the repair was successful. But in this case, the person only sent the just the board. So I am going to test it through the USB amp meter, but I can't show that. So you're just going to have to trust me that this is super straightforward. And after resoldering these joints and placing the jumpers, this is 100% fixed. Trust me, bro. It's good to go. Just clean up these joints, clean up this flux, and have one final look. Make sure everything looks good, and then we'll be done here. So you're going to probably notice that I'm going to have kids in the background that I'm having to talk to a lot more often now. The reason for that is that I used to record late at night after the kids were asleep, but my wife is currently going to school, so I'm watching the kids during the day, which means the only time I have to get repairs done and record video is also during the day. I can't stay up all night like I used to. So you're just going to have to forgive the background noise and the occasional conversation with a 2 or 4-year-old that I'm going to have while I'm recording. All right. So those joints all look good to me. I'm happy with this. And I think we're ready to call this one done. Ugh, man. Whoever's working on this before left some really gross flux that I'm going to scrub at for a while. But yeah, this one's finished. So another easy one knocked out. Thanks for watching.